Sir, now let me go for executable code. Observe carefully, sir. Here I am taking try block. Okay, print try block, print try I am taking. Next except print except block, print except block, try except. Next else I am taking print else block, print else block. Next finally I am taking finally print finally block. Okay, finally print finally block I am taking, sir. That's all. Can you please confirm is what is the answer, what is the output we are going to get if I execute this code? Yes, friends. Yes. What is the output, sir? Please guess. You know when else is going to execute. If there is no exception inside a try, then only else will be executed. Can you please confirm what the answer, sir? First try. Next there is no exception, except block won't be executed. If there is no exception, else is always going to execute. That's why try else finally is the answer, friend. Okay, because no exception, then except won't be executed, but else will be executed. So try else finally. Okay, let me execute this one. So else is going to execute if there is no exception inside try block. Let me show, let me execute, sir. Sir, here see this one, already this code is there with me. You are not required to worry. Here see, sir, I am taking try block. Next and after that except. Next sir, else and then finally same thing only there, sir. So first try will execute. Next there is no exception, that's why except block won't execute. If there is no exception, definitely else is going to execute. Anyway, whether exception raised or not raised, handle or not handle, finally is always going to execute. Try else finally. Okay, let me execute this syntax, right? Yes, what the answer? Try else finally is the output we are going to get. Is it clear? Now sir, let me go for if there is an exception, then else should not be executed. Let me show. Have a look once. Same example. Try I am taking try. So print try block, print of try. Sir, print 10 by 0 I am taking. Bas print of 10 by 0 I am taking. So here exception got raised. Now except print of except block, print of except block, and then else I am taking print of else block, print of else, and then finally okay, print of finally block I am taking, sir. Finally block. Can you please confirm what is the answer we are going to get in this case? Please confirm, friends. What is the answer we are going to get in this scenario? Very simple. So just observe. Try will execute. While executing 10 by 0, if an exception rises, yes, 0 division error, immediately except block will execute. Except. So if there is an exception, then else won't execute. Next finally, try except finally is the output we are going to get. Any doubt about this one? Try except finally is the output we are going to get, sir. Let me execute this one, sir. Here try print 10 by 0 I am taking. Try print 10 by 0 I am taking. What is the answer by default we are going to get? Try except finally. Try except finally is the answer. In this case, else is not executed. What is the reason why else is not executed? Because there is an exception inside a try block. Are you in the position to understand, friends? So both examples, clear indication, practical proof when else will be executed if there is no exception inside try block. Clear, right? Now I have one small doubt, friends. Take very special care and then tell the answer. Sir, I am taking try block, print try. Print try block, print try. Next else I am taking print else. Next finally I am taking print finally. Excellent. Can you please tell what the answer we are going to get? Sir, try block, else block, finally block, except block I didn't write. Please tell what is the answer we are going to get, what is the output we will get if I execute this code. Just take 1 minute time and then tell the answer. Don't try to execute. Just can you please guess what output we are going to get in this case? Array, respond. What is the answer? Try, else, finally. There is no except block. Okay? Take very special care. If I ask Python virtual machine, array, can you please execute this code? Immediately Python virtual machine will give left and right. Okay? What the reason for that is, if you are using else block, compulsory you should write except block. Remember this one, sir. So else without except block you can't take. Remember, whenever we are writing else block, compulsory we should write except block. Else without except block is invalid. Immediately error by default we are going to get syntax error. What is this error, sir? Syntax. There is a syntactical mistake is there. Syntax error we are going to get. Are you in the position to understand? Sir, just observe carefully, right? Here just I'm removing this. Here except block I'm just remove, sir. Try else finally. Okay, immediately error we are going to get at this line. What is the reason for that is, without except you can't write else block. By mistake if you are trying to write, immediately syntax error, right? Sir, let me execute this code. Have a look once. What is the answer by default we are going to get, sir? So syntax error, invalid syntax at line number 3 else part, at line number 3 else. Here we are getting syntax error. Clear for all of you? Sir, very important terminology. You people should aware about this one, sir. So I hope it's a clear for all of you. So can you please tell, so else, one or two conclusions about else. Else we can use with the try except finally blocks. Okay, if there is no exception inside the try, then only else will be executed. Next, else and except both simultaneously never going to execute. If except executed, else won't be executed. If else executed, except won't be executed. Next, without writing except block, we can't write else block. Else without except block is always invalid, is always a syntax error. Clear, right? Sir, observe very carefully these two conclusions also. There is no chance of executing both except and else simultaneously. We covered, if we want to take else block, compulsory except block should be there. That is, else without except block is always invalid, syntax error, invalid syntax, like you are going to get the error if you are trying to use. Any doubt up to this? Clear, right? But still I didn't cover where exactly this else requirement is there. That part I will explain. Sir, now let me go for a simple example where else block is really helpful. Okay, just observe carefully, sir. I'm taking f is equal to none, one reference variable I'm taking f, sir. Now try block I'm taking try. Within the try block, sir, just f is equal to, can you please open abc.txt file? Can you please open abc.txt file in read mode? Of course, it's even you don't know about file IO, don't worry, you can understand very easily. I'm not talking about file IO internal things. Okay, next topic, there we will discuss about files in detail. So open abc.txt file, R means reading purpose. Okay, like, sir, now except. So if while open this file may not available, so read permissions may not available. If some problem came, immediately print okay, some problem while locating means whether it is available or not, while locating or opening file, while locating or opening file, some problem, like I kept except block, sir. Next, else I'm taking. Observe very carefully, else. So when else will be executed, can you please confirm? If there is no exception inside a try block, means you open file successfully, correct, right? Then only. Now I'm taking, so else print file opened successfully, file open successfully, okay, like I'm taking file open successfully. Now print the content of the file, the content of the file is, sir, just a print sir, hash mark I'm taking some 30 times, I'm taking, sir, hash mark 30 times, sir, just for display sake. So if the file opens successfully, okay, now else part is going to execute. Within the else file open successfully, the content of the file is print how you can read the total data present inside file. F dot read we have to take, F dot read we have to take, remember this one. Now if there is no problem, then only else is going to execute. Else is the responsible to print the content present inside file, okay. Well, next sir, except else finally, okay. So inside finally what we have to take? Cleanup code. Array, whatever resources you open, can you please close this file pointer, like so if f is not none, so means that if this file f is pointing to the file object only, it is open successfully, then f dot close, like this you have to take. Yeah, beautiful example, friends, sir, to understand when else block will be executed. Now observe very carefully, sir. So if there is a problem in the try block, then except block will execute, okay, except some problem while locating or opening the file. If there is no problem in the try block, now else block is going to execute. Sir, have you observed? Clear division of the code is there, sir. Risky code, if there is a problem, handling code. If there is no problem, success. If there is no exception, then sir, print this one, sir. Next, and after that finally, anyway, close that file. Perfect example of finally block, else blocks are in this scenario. Let me execute this code. Have a look once, sir. This f is equal to none, sir. Next try, f is equal to open abc.txt, some problem while locating and opening the file, okay. Else file opens successfully, the data present in the file is print, okay, hash symbol some 30 times I'm taking, and then f dot read. If f is not none, means if the f is pointing to the file object only, f dot close. Yes, observe very carefully, sir. So if there is an exception in the try block, now except block will execute. If there is no exception in the try block, now else block is going to execute, which is the responsible, okay, to read the content from the file and to display that. Let me execute. But before that, which content is there inside file? abc.txt. Yes, line 1 of abc.txt file, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, like five lines are there, sir. So it's a very clear file is available. So now f open successfully. Now else is going to execute and it's going to close the file pointer. That's all, sir. So try will execute, else will execute, finally also will execute, sir. Now observe very carefully. Here observe carefully, what is the answer if I execute this code? Yes, file open successfully, okay. The data present in the file is line 1 of abc, line 2 dot abc, line 3 dot, like this. Perfect, sir. It's executing, sir. Now if there is a problem in this, then automatically, do you know, except block will execute. Assume that this file is not available. Sir, let me take some invalid file, okay, the file which is not there in my system. What will happen, sir? Sir, now observe abc dot txt, okay. I'm sure there is no such type of file in my system. If a file is not there, then some problem while locating except block will execute, else won't execute. Next, F is not none. F is the none only, the close also is not going to be happen. Okay, well, so now you can see some problem while locating and opening the file. Okay, now observe, let me execute this code. Let me execute this code. Now observe, have you observed some problem while locating and opening the file? Yeah, clear division is there. Sir, the total code divided into success part, handling part, risky code like sir, this is the purpose of perfect example, best example of else part. Are you in the position to understand? Sir, if any person is asking, can you please tell one real time scenario where else block is useful, then happily you can tell this example, sir. Sir, now do you know in other languages like Java, so this division is not there. Okay, in Java what we have to take? So try block I'm taking, try block. Next open file. Okay, read the data. Open file, read the data. Next catch block we have to take. Handling code we have to take, sir. If the file is not available, handling code we have to take. Finally block. Here just clean up code we have to take. Clean up code we have to take. Observe very carefully here. So try, open the file, read the data. Next catch handling code finally. So here if it is open successfully, then only execute this code. There is no such type of division, sir. So try block, else block, both are we have to take inside a try only. But here clear division is there. Array, if you open this file successfully, then only execute else part. If there is a problem, then only execute except block. So clear division is there. Obviously, what is the biggest advantage we are going to get is readability of the code by default will be improved. Is it clear for all of that? What is the best use of except else block is? This is what you people should aware. Any doubt up to this? Clear, right? Sir, by this time you people are very clear about else block with the try except finally. Let me give the finishing touch for this with a small bit. Observe carefully, sir. Which of the following is true about else block? Which of the following is true about else block? So we can use else with the try except finally blocks. Yes, is it valid or not? Yes, we can use. Next, else block will be executed if there is no exception inside the try block. Oh, it is also correct, man. Next, there is no chance of executing both except and else blocks simultaneously. Correct? If except block executed, else won't execute. If else executed, except won't execute. Else block without except block is invalid and causes a syntax error. Yes, we saw. Correct. Next, all of these. So which of the following is true about else block? Which one is the correct answer, sir? All these. So I'm framing this question just to review all the conclusions about else block. So which one is the correct answer, sir? E. Answer E, sir. Just observe means all of these. Clear, right? Now if any person is asking what is the purpose of else block, can you please explain with an example when it's going to execute, what important conclusions are there about else with the try except finally? You should be in the position to give left and right to the interview person. Any doubt about this one? Clear, right?